PSM
ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
PSM ಆಗ ಇದೊಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಇವಂದು
ಯಾಸ್ಮಿನ್ ತಾಜ್
ವೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ
Wheeling ಮಾಡಿ
ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟವನೆ ಡೆತ್
ಆಗೋಯ್ತಾ
ಡೆತ್ ಆಗೋದು
ವೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು
ಎಲ್ಲ ದುರಾಂಕಾರ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋರು ಕೇಳೋರು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರುಗಳಿಗೆ ದುರಾಂಕಾರ ಬಂದು ಕುಂತ ಅರಾಜಕತೆ ನಡೆದು
In the latest developments in a distressing incident that unfolded near Himmavu in Nanjangudu, taluk of Mysore district, an innocent man became a victim of female sub-inspector's son's wheeling attack. A peaceful evening took a tragic turn as 68-year-old Guruswami, an innocent and elderly man, fell victim to distressing incident of wheeling. The incident occurred while he was returning home after tending to his cows. The alleged culprit in this incident is Syed Aiman, a young resident of Udayagiri and the son of Police Sub-Inspector Yasmin Taj, who serves at the Nanjangudu Traffic Police Station. Syed Ayman had been previously arrested and fined for wheeling, and he also faced charges related to theft. Presently, the accused Syed Ayman has sustained minor injuries in the incident. However, the focus of attention remains on the condition of the elderly victim and the emotional turmoil endured by his family. The family members of the accident victim have demanded justice in this matter as they grapple with the distressing aftermath of this unfortunate incident. As investigations unfold and the legal process takes its course, our thoughts are with the victim's family during this challenging time. We will continue to provide updates on this matter as more information becomes available.